Today we're gonna make some hot tea for your throat. This tea is to soothe your throat. This is for the cough, not corona. You have corona, then I can't help you, sis. Let's get started. But first, the ingredients. Lemon, hot water, a teacup, a spoon, and honey. So first, I'm gonna squeeze a lemon in my water. Squeeze it all in there, guys. Make sure there's no more juice. Okay. So guys, I kind of actually spilled my lemon in there. Okay. Good. Ow. Yeah. So guys, sorry. So guys, okay guys, that's a cough. That's a cough. Right. So now guys, we're gonna put a generous amount of honey. Honey guys. Stir it. Now we're gonna stir it. Give it a little stir. It's looking like tea already, but still stir it. I'm gonna pour the tea into the cup. Now that's the tea, guys. Thank you. Bye. I think it needs to be like a little bit hot. Can you do it hot?